mochung' ne kedo gi mibadhi kaachiel koda nyayo bidhruok mar oganda e pacho kaendi mano Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission e yo machuok EACC koro nyiso mare wi kaka mibadhi medore malich mokalo e pacho kaendi to moloyo e piny owacho gi mag Kaontis mathur kaendi 40 to kod 7 ka gitwak e kaunti nogo Homa Bay giyango ni weche gi mag mibadhi sani koro dwa medore kendo governors kaachiel koda jotend migepe mag Kaontis nitiere koda ting' mar mondo mi koro gine kaka inyalo duok piny mibadhi ma kamago ma koro yango nogo tache migepe machalo kaka thieth, pur kaachiel bende koda mamoko kamoting'o kanyindo pi kinde mamoko ma koro giyango ni ber ka koro governors neno kaka inyalo duok piny. Koro ka kore gavana e kaunti ma Homa Bay Gladys Wanga oyango ni koro gisebedo ka gitiyo koda yor lony manyasani e choko osuru kaachiel bende koda neno ni nyinge jotich gin mago moket e yor lony manyasani mondo mi koro ogeng' mibadhi.
Services, even drugs, without parting with anything. So the survey, especially the one by UNODC, will give you great insights. It's on the website on how Kenyans are experiencing quite a big problem in accessing health services in our nation. And we want to partner with the counties and different institutions to create awareness on preventive measures. Today, we have come to launch CPCs, which is a Corruption Prevention Committee. And as the governor has said, at the county level, the chair is the accounting officer, who is the governor, and the members are the CEC members. And we hope in this journey, this is the 8th county we are going to this season. We have been to 7 others. Last year we went to 6 others. And we hope one time to go to all the counties so that they establish strong preventive mechanisms among themselves. EACC cannot prevent corruption alone. We work together with our partners. We are at Homa Bay County to establish CECs. And after that, that is Corruption Prevention Committees. After that, we will train relevant members of staff in the counties so that they streamline prevention at the county level.
Issues on how to effectively prevent corruption by putting in place robust governance frameworks and prevention measures so that we can see to it that the public resources that we receive as a county are utilized to the best interest of the people. I'm happy to report that from the report that has been given that EACC had from 2017, the county government of Homa Bay has made a lot of progress in putting in place structures that ensure corruption prevention. We now have a fully fledged audit committee. We have ensured digitization of our revenue systems to prevent corruption. In terms of HR, we have completed and concluded and operationalized our HR manual and staff establishment, and also our disciplinary mechanisms. Yeah, we have discussed how we will partner even more strongly with the EACC and our local law enforcement agencies here